for my lovely musicians. They gave me specific instructions before we came up. Don't forget to shout all your keys and no pa'anis, please. Okay, so the reason I'm here is because of my cousin Steve. So I would love to see him get up and do a hula number for all of you. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is Steve Keawe, if you don't already know. Don't worry. We have plenty of musicians on the side over here that can fill in the bass for one song. I also want to give an aloha out to all of our ohana here. We have very strong ties to this place. My grandmother, before she became Keawe Aiko, you folks know her as Keawe because my tutu man didn't want her to use the second part of the name, because just in case she sounded bad, he never liked be associated with her. No, I'm kidding. That's the story he told. My tutu man was Kolohe, if you cannot tell. But before she became Keawe, she was Adolfo. It was Genoa, Leilani, Adolfo. And so all of the Adolfos on this island are our close cousins, and we love coming here for our family reunions. I also want to mahalo my cousin Malia, who made this beautiful lei po'o hina for me with help from Auntie Eva Lani. So mahalo nui from Halawa Valley. I'm going to take you over to the leeward side of Oahu. Aloha I waianae he kalui ka uluniu uluniu kaunana o Pomaika'i e nani ke ku. Aloha I waianae he kalui ka uluniu uluniu kaunana o Pomaika'i e nani ke ku. Kila ka ala kuhiwi kau I ka hano ulu vehi I ka maile lauli ili e ala hui Kila ka ala kuhiwi kau I ka hano ulu vehi I ka maile lauli ili e ala hui Pa'ana kamakani ke kaiuru he mahi e Pui ai ke ala o ka awa puhi e pua ala na Pa'ana kamakani ke kaiuru he mahi e Pui ai ke ala o ka awa puhi e pua ala na Haina mai ka puana o mai ku home Home I aloha I mako Home poina le
You know what's her name?
Haina mai ka puana o mai ku home Home I aloha I mako Home poina